Hi! Okay, so I'm gonna make a vlog because I'm in Horsecast village and it's really pretty and shit. So I thought that I'd enlist Kunal to help me make a vlog because professional filmmaker. So I've got my little notebook because I've been writing down so that I'm not as ratchy as I normally am. So my vlog is gonna be about bottoms. And if you don't know what a bottom is, you have no business being on my channel. Get the fuck out. Just kidding, don't go. Please give me views. But you know what I hate? I hate when you're talking to like this really cute guy and he's all muscular and shit and he ends up being a bottom. Like, bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, do not kill my vibe. That sucks. So, because of my experiences in the seedy underbelly of online dating sites, I have devised like this way to hunt out bottoms and then you just never talk to them because, bottoms don't get along with each other. Sorry about it. So, okay, you know what? Let me just like get stuck right into it. So, the first way to find a bottom, like, okay, if you are quoting Lady Gaga on your dating profile, like, bitch, which you're a bottom, don't even kid. And you know what? If you're quoting fucking Gossip Girl, like, no, you are bottoming the fuck out, right? Secondly, if you go, girl or bitch, please, like, no. If you say, like, girl, I'm a top, no, you're not a top. What bullshit? Like, don't bullshit me. You're a bottom, okay? Number three, if your voice rises like 2 octaves higher every time someone talks about your favorite diva, for that matter, if you have a favorite diva, bitch, you're bottoming. Matter of fact, you're probably bottoming right now listening to Cher, doing Women's World. Or, bitch, don't go watch Audrey Hepburn again. I know you're bottoming kind, okay? So, like, you're a bottom. Fourth, if the staff at Mac knows you by name, use a bottom. Like, you are a bottom. Also, can you please get me a discount because I'm poor? Please use your connections. So, you're a bottom. If, like, you're wearing fucking MAC lip gloss, like, we all know where that lip gloss is gonna end up, and it is not gonna end up like anywhere good. So that is it. You're a bottom. You know what? I'm falling. Okay. So number 5, how to spot a bottom, how to spot a bottom. Slopper bottom is queer. Okay. So basically, if you try to be a sassy black woman, like, do I even need to say it? Do I even need to say if you're a gay man who's trying to be a sassy black woman? Like, I'm sorry, you're taking a dick so far up your ass that it's coming out of your mouth, like, goodbye. So I'm gonna be really professional and refer to this notebook, mostly because I'm forgetting what I had to say. Sorry about it. Oh yes, this is interesting. So if you get waxed, if you use any form of hair removal on your body apart from shaving, you're a bottom. Like, please. Which top is gonna get their ass waxed? Like, I'm sorry if you're getting your ass waxed. We all know why you're doing that. Don't kid me. Do not. Okay. One more thing. If you're a bottom, if you have at any point in your life quoted perks of being a fucking wallflower, like that, and we were infinite speech. No. If you've quoted Lana Del Rey's Ride video on your, Lana Del Rey's opening monologue from her video for Ride on your Facebook, you're bottom. You're a bottom. You are bottoming listening to Lana Del Rey while reading Perks of Being a Wallflower at the same time. A special mention goes to all of you bottoms who quote, Grey's Anatomy. Okay. And I'm just gonna... Fuck that, I don't need it. So yeah. No, actually I need it.
Look at that frog thing going on.
It is fine. So yeah, what I was gonna say was finally how to spot a bottom, and this is more of a gynecologist.
Yeah.
It's fine. It probably thought my head was like an egg or something and it had to swoop up. It's fine. So finally, this is a more real life situation, If like you go to the bar and you order a Shirley Temple, an apple martini, an apple teeny, a Cosmo. No, you're a bottom. The only reason you're getting drunk on these fancy ass cocktails so that you can bottom later. Like, bitch, this is a fucking bar. And you know what? I'm not talking about like America, I'm talking about India. This is a run down ass bar in Connaught Place. People barely can pronounce Smirnoff vodka. They're calling it Simranoff. They're not gonna be able to understand. Oh hi, I'd like to have a Shirley Temple. Like, okay on there. Like, no, stop, okay? So this has been a handy guide to spotting bottoms. Spotting bottoms? What?
Asians
Oh my god, yes! I'm gonna put a special note. And I'm not gonna edit any of this out. It's gonna be raw and uncut. You know, just like I like it. But as a side note, if you're like, you know, an Asian, young Asian twink, skinny little Asian, you're bottom. I'm sorry, like, who, no, okay, this is gonna be very offensive, I'm probably gonna get dislikes on this, but I don't give a fuck, like, who, are you kidding? Since when is your, like, you're this little Asian twink, like, 5'4", skinny body, you're not a top. You're not a top. Nobody's gonna let you top them. Just bottom the fuck out already. It's cool. I accept you. Jesus accepts you for being the bottom that you are. Like, praise the Lord. Jesus is a biscuit. So yeah, this is my vlog. This is my vlog about bottoming and how to spot a bottom. You know, in case you're ever on a dating site and you don't want to waste your time and just dick pick the fuck out. So yeah, c'est mec est passif. That's boy is the bottom in French. Bye!
Stop.
No!
Stop.